Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, another mod for the Ranger. I've got some seat covers. These are actually the Kemimoto seat covers. If you watch my video of my Ranger 6x6, my older one, really like those seat covers, so I got set for this. I've already got the rear ones installed, and you can see they're nice and dirty from the dog. I actually installed that, I think, second day I owned this. So I've got to install the front ones now. I got time to do this video. They fit real nice and tight. You can see these are the black ones. You can get camo ones. I got the camo ones on my 6x6, but here's some Velcro on this one, and then it says under the tag there, says which one they are, so you don't get mixed up. They sent these headrest covers, but they do not fit very good at all. I was kind of surprised because these Kemimoto covers really fit good. On my last one, I was really impressed with them. So this came as a set for the crew cab. You can get just the front set for a regular cab Ranger, but yeah, they're real snug. I think some people said they had trouble doing it by themselves. If you got weak hands or something, you might have trouble, but they just basically slide right over the seats. I'll see if I can't get some video of me doing it on one of them, but yeah, I'm gonna get to I hate to cover these really nice seats up, but I'd rather protect them than have them look nice. I don't know. It's I hate saving it for the next guy, but it'll probably increase the value of it as it gets older if I got nice seats. So it is what it is. That's what I'm gonna do. So there it is installed. This is actually the easiest one to install. I had trouble with these two, but if you want a tight cover, I guess you're going to have trouble getting them to go on. But I've got straps in the back for these two. I'm going to wait to strap them. There's a panel back here that I can take off, and I'll do that. They're a little wrinkly right now. They should flatten out as they get older, but or they get some time on them. But I like them. They're very affordable, very, very nice. You can kind of see on this one here where you got the Velcro straps holding it on. I like them. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully this helps a few people out. I really like these covers. If you need some covers, I suggest the Kemimoto ones. I'll have a link in the description in the comment section for the ones I used. I'll see you guys.